Hey, what's up, everyone? So, today's actors and actresses count will be about two Darth Vader voice actors that you may know, Matt Sloan and Scott Lawrence. Now, Matt Sloan has only voiced Vader in two of my favorite games, the Star Wars Force Unleashed, which I still think it's canon. Screw you, Disney. And well, he brought so much, terror into the voice of Vader. Like, if you fail, she dies. That line just, ooh, makes him more scary, makes him more evil. And Scott Lawrence, well, he did some earlier video games of Star Wars with Vader, and he's recently been Vader in Jedi Fallen Order, which I may have to consider canon after I told Disney to go screw you. So anyway, those are the two Vaders that we know, and they may be perfect when if James Earl Jones goes out forever, and they may be brought in to take his place, because James Earl is not gonna live that long. So anyway, like and subscribe, and be sure to check out my next actors and actresses video coming soon. And 4 more weeks of school to my people who live here in Camden. And I'll see you guys later.